Hey guys, in today's video is going to be another fault line buttercream cake, but this one will be with a stripe technique. And also I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful cell cake topper made with candy melts. So if you want to learn how to make this cake, well, keep on watching. Also, if you haven't done it yet, well, you can subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. With no further ado, let's get to it. really like the look of the cake and also the marble cake topper. What's important to know about the cake topper, this is specifically for candy melts. But if you don't have something like this, then, and you're using, as shown in the video, a little trick that I show you with food, like normal food coloring, you really need to add at least 1 teaspoon, depending on the amount that you're using of candy melts, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. The reason why, it's because the vegetable oil will help the food coloring blend in the chocolate, or else it's going to seize your chocolate and your chocolate will not be good anymore and it's going to be completely ruined. Again, if you have this kind of product, there's no problem about it. You do not need to add vegetable oil, but if you don't have this and you want to recreate your own colors, then yes, you need to add 1 teaspoon at a time, depending on the amount that you melted of candy melts of vegetable oil. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done it yet, well, you can subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.